James, man. Today we're doing Minecraft PE Lucky Box mod. So if you don't know Lucky Box, they're like Lucky Blocks, and they have unlucky and unlucky. So let's get started. So first, let's make ourselves a sword. It is nighttime, so I am quiet. So let's just start. And we have diamond armor. That's good. Arrows, a bow and arrows. Oh wow. Boy, we're lucky it's daytime. Are you coming after me? You coming after me? Okay. So let's start next one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What did I say? Oh. Oh my goodness, these things are getting on my nerves. So let's get back up here. Let's start mining these Lucky Box again. No. Need to get out of here. Thank you. So let's finish these Lucky Blocks. Another bow and arrow. Yes. Oh my goodness. Not again. So let's get back up here. Let's get our pickaxe back out. So this is a mod. Oh my goodness, not again. No. Please let the mobs die. So of course there are lucky mobs and unlucky mobs. Let's go around this. Let's kill this piggy. No food. What kind of pig does that? A sword? That's okay. Clocks. Yes, more diamond armor. Oh, we already have that. More bows and arrows. Oh, guess who need it? I mean, 3 diamonds and 10 iron ingots. More diamond stuff. Oh my goodness! Thank you. Glitched out of it. More stuff. I don't want no unlucky. Oh, thank you. Food. More diamonds. Nothing. Letter stuff. I think that's all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I want to give a shout out to Samir Robinson. So I'll see you later. Have a good day, and bye bye.